Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Quiz. So let's start our current affairs of August 13, 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, it is celebrated as International Left-Handers Day. Every year on 13th August, Left-Handers Day is observed. It raises awareness about the problems and difficulties that left-handed persons face. And also, it is World Organ Donation Day. This day is observed on 13th August to spread awareness about the importance of organ donation. And going to the current affairs, the first question is International Boxing Association has launched a campaign named which of the following? And the options are A. Hands of Boxing, B. Faces of Boxing, C. Masters of Boxing, and D. Winners of Boxing. And the correct answer is B. Hashtag Faces of Boxing. It is to celebrate International Boxing Day on August 27. And the second question is which of the following state government announces award named after former PM Rajiv Gandhi for IT firms? And the options are A. Maharashtra, B. Assam, C. Delhi, and D. Kerala. And the correct answer is A. Maharashtra. Maharashtra government has declared an award on 20th August 2021 in the name of Rajiv Gandhi for IT firms. And the third question is RBI has announced the launch of the scheme of penalty of amount for non-replenishment of ATMs. The options are A. 1 lakh, B. 50,000, C. 10,000, and D. 5,000. The correct answer is C. 10,000. RBI has announced the launch of the scheme of penalty of amount 10,000 for replenishment of ATMs, as per which it will impose monetary penalties on ATMs or WALs that run out of cash. The scheme shall come into effect from 1st October 2021. And the fourth question is which of the following state has launched e-Nagar mobile app and portal? The options are A. Delhi, B. Telangana, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Gujarat. And the correct answer is D. Gujarat. Gujarat state has launched e-Nagar mobile app and portal. This app will provide online end-to-end citizen-centric services. The fifth question is who among the following is the author of the book titled The Earth Spinner? The options are A. Sudhamurthy, B. Anuradha Roy, C. Satyajit Roy, and D. Mohandas. And the correct answer is B. Anuradha Roy. And the sixth question is, which of the following is the first state to recognize community forest resource? And the options are A. Chhattisgarh, B. Bihar, C. Arunachal Pradesh, and D. Karnataka. And the correct answer is A. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the first state to recognize community forest resource. The seventh question is, who among the following has been appointed by RBI for banking fraud awareness campaign? And the options are A. KL Rahul, B. Bajrang Punia, C. Virat Kohli, and D. Neeraj Chopra. And the correct answer is D. Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra has been appointed by RBI for banking fraud awareness campaign. And the eighth question is, who among the following has roped in as brand ambassador for JK Tyres? The options are A. MS Dhoni, B. Suresh Raina, C. Narayan Karthikeyan, and D. Dinesh Karthik. And the correct answer is C. Narayan Karthikeyan. Narayan is the first racing driver to make his debut in Formula 1 from India in 2005. And he has been roped in as brand ambassador for JK Tyres. And the ninth question is, Al Mohed Al Hindi 2021 is the first ever naval exercise between India and which of the following country? The options are A. UAE, B. Oman, C. Iraq, and D. Saudi Arabia. And the correct answer is D. Saudi Arabia. Al Mohed Al Hindi 2021 is the first ever naval exercise between India and Saudi Arabia. It is to participate in the exercise, India's INS Kochi reached Saudi Arabia. Harbour phase of the exercise started on August 9th. Sea-based drills started from August 11th. And the 10th question is, according to Global Youth Development Index 2020 released by the Commonwealth Secretariat, which of the following country topped in the index? The options are A. Malaysia, B. Singapore, C. USA, and D. Japan. And the correct answer is B. Singapore. Global Youth Development Index 2020 released by the Commonwealth Secretariat, Singapore topped in Global Youth Development Index 2020. Top 5 countries in Youth Development Index 2020 are Singapore, Slovenia, Norway, Malta, and Denmark. The worst 5 countries in Youth Development Index 2020 are Chad, CAR, South Sudan, Afghanistan, and Niger. India was ranked at 122nd position in Global Youth Development Index 2020. It provides score on the basis of 27 indicators, including literacy and voting. And the 11th question is, which of the following organization launched Digital Prayas app to offer loans to entrepreneurs. And the options are A. RBI, B. NABARD, C. SIDBI, and D. SEBI. And the correct answer is C. SIDBI. Small Industries Development Bank of India launched Digital Prayas app to offer loans to entrepreneurs. And the one-liners today are B. Nagabhushan Reddy appointed as new High Commissioner of India to Malaysia. Brig Dr. BD given additional charge as Governor of Mizoram. Ganga Prasad given additional charge as Governor of Manipur. West Indies Shafine Taylor named the ICC Women's Player of the Month for July. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.